Hello, my friends. Assalamu alaikum. Do human beings really need revelation? This is the question we will be addressing today. My friends, we all know that God sent many prophets in human history to guide humanity. So, based on this fact, somebody can argue that since God sent so many prophets, that shows we need revelation, period. But now we will look at the same thing from philosophical perspective. The work of a very well-known European philosopher Kant is very useful in this regard. He says that when we see any object or when we experience any object through our senses, it is different from the reality of that object. Basically meaning we do not see what that object in reality is. So our experience is not the same as that object is. So he calls that experience through our senses phenomena. So phenomena actually refers to our experience of seeing that object, whereas noumena refers to the reality of that object. This tells us that there is a gap between phenomena and noumena. What we see is not what that object is. So phenomena, that is our experience, is different from noumena, what the reality of that object is. And he talks about various examples in this regard, such as God, soul, cosmos, etc. So my friends, what we learn from this example is that human beings have limitations. Our senses have limitations to understand things. What we actually experience is not the same what those things are. So there's a gap between phenomena and noumena. My friends, this gap is actually filled by the revelation. If we read revelation carefully, such as Quran or other revelations, you will notice that it deals with those subjects which are beyond our senses. That is how God has helped us through revelation to understand things or to have some kind of perspective about those things which are simply beyond us. So I'll conclude by saying, my friends, that this gap between phenomena and noumena is filled by revelation. This justifies the need for revelation. Thank you.